senia esi ewo so ma ye ne ene aduane na fa ye mfom so oche yen senia ye de che woni a wafom yen e ma ye nkonsuhwem na yiye free musuo na wona ahenie eni tumi eni animonyam ewo da amen. Ausamoache edo asiano pesa odi afidi na to ha say nonson apa sima edu enson peace 104.3 FM Kokrokoo jumadi eni e Kokrokoo chairman the Ghana's Morning Voice Chairman General Kwame Safakan Senior Etipa Nemo mano pay me out to ken ye frame na na kese. Me Catholic GD here minti ubet me frame the cardinal.
Father, for thy is the kingdom, the power and the glory.
Benefo Ashisha Jumay meeting with Chamiano pay Dr. Father Dixon Kennedy Asante say so for could just and Steven Bar for Peter Square Isaac Opoku Pretty Joyce Dominic Nyanyu for Nana Pepra. On the flip side, Udia Henkai Kwame Yaboa Mami Biama Kwafu
Father, for thy is the kingdom, the power and the glory. Have mercy upon us. Give us more blessings forever and ever. Forever and ever.
And I no pay me on common kakra or why I say me free one sana you will be a de atoaso.
Forever and ever. Forever and ever. Amen.
Ghana Immigration Service say aho ho abeji e mountain so afa. Amo clear omunyina. Charles Wright International Bright appear da no say ekwan a omode fason ani nye ho. Ebedi ho command pay. Abranti ebi the petition akwa koma mampani say Basumfo na opa omo say omo nhwehwe Chief Justice Arabasaki Toko no nasemu no omo akwa akohia ba bia ye meeting bia meeting no asem no de ehu ne sent in mampani suspend this committee no because the committee is compromised. Ebedi hun command pay. Sherman Besmark Abobi Aite. Chairman marching. Now where there?
Who trespass against us and lead us not into temptations, but deliver us from evil. Deliver us from evil. Oh Lord.
Enti tanko si say ya na mo ne ye betena na se mo besi samusuban. Ale. Engo yesa o. Tanko si engo yesa o. Ayo. Anope say offer the Obokrata ya today the custodian newspaper. Custodian newspaper say petitioner alleges conspiracy to act Tokon. Batadio sorry denies meeting CJ Pro Committee judges. News Center. Yo, menkwa homa no eso Alfred Kumi eya branti ode krata akwa koma mampani se committee no a wate a omo hwehwe chief justice asemu no on suspended. Alfred Mache 1 or 2. Hello Alfred.
Hello Nana Pacho, good morning.
Morning, eti say.
Nana na mi adum Pacho na also e.
Yanko pardon, me so me ho ye pa.
And I share news here be United na me ho atome.
Sa ho. Where we wish I don't know.
We wish I don't know.
If wishes were horses. Okay. Ubiati biso. What they saying? Why? As a democracy, the money at the new. Unso can we be anya ohwe.
Obi anya ohwe. The money at the body.
No. Nyameti ase. Now, a citizen, Alfred Abebio Kumi, has formally petitioned the President of the Republic to dissolve the 5-member committee constituted to investigate 3 petitions against Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Saki Tokonu. According to the petition, dated 19th May 2025 and was received at the Jubilee House At approximately 4:13 p.m. on the same day, Mr. Kumi raised serious issues. Mr. Kumi raised serious issues about the impartiality of the committee following a private dinner meeting involving members of the committee and a legal representative of one of the petitioners. In the petition, Mr. Kumi alleged that these serious issues about the process for the removal of the Chief Justice excited the curiosity of some persons in the restaurant. Indeed, they were overheard discussing matters relating to the petition. The petition stated. Mr. Kumi maintained that the presence of the four individuals at the restaurant can be independently verified. Describing the development as of grave worry, the petitioner argued that the solemn nature of proceedings aimed at the removal of the Chief Justice should not be compromised. One Alfred Abebi Okumino. Hello. Okay. A petition na anope Ghanaian publisher Abu Boswa Makinken Biama Wawatino. Okay. Asem nene saying.
Nana, with the matter was na matter production team, na material, we cherish listeners and viewers on social media platform. Yeah, and for me, me cafe, I'm already with an entrenched position. In fact, say it is not good. First of all, I want to state it categorically. Say, man can't. There's no constitutional good say you promote Chief Justice, and I've said it on different platforms. There, I don't see how sacking a Chief Justice will help with national development, and the issues must be very, very great. First of all, it is a novel process that we are going through. If the need be, say, you better promote a Chief Justice, then we must do it right. It's very, very important. Say, you better take Tasem say, and then you better promote Chief Justice. Yeah, any year, any day, any government, it has to be right. Now, this petition was purely sent in defense of the Brunibeka constitutional order and public confidence in our judiciary. Because under this Article 41, I am as a citizen, who present citizens' duty. A chairman, near my A and B, no chairman, near me, as a media protection.
I've heard about me about Yabako sa dynamics in the but there may person me who say meeting now will come 17 a person who say, ampa meeting because sa and now say. What about him and now we be just to distract the committee and to court public disaffection for the committee?
So, Nana, who application, who Facebook post the around? I said there was no such meeting. The first question I asked Ibusa said, said, within 7:30 to 8:30, where were you? You as a person, I said there was no such meeting. Where were you? 1, 2. If you were there, were the justices there? If you were there, were the justices also there? Simplicity. If those questions are not answered, then I'll go back to my records of saying, I want to wait for the president because this is a serious issue for the president to respond. He knows that Obi Nkase, will be president in Intiawa.
Okay, so so Kumi for Abia for Abia Obia onte sa same way and then the first time Abia a twana sum no what's am saying.
Okay, so senior and I make us say as a citizen of Ghana, Article 41 mammy has certain duties, and one of the duties a mammy I say at all times I have to find myself protecting institutions of Ghana and the Constitution. And if I see there's a constitutional process that is being breached, and now there's a code of conduct that is being breached. Said last year, see something, say something. I did not go about saying with the camera ekusi obiso. It was a coincidence. Na me call echo to Bibia Ronibe Frenon. Ex parte communication lawyers work. Na na lawyer me lawyer.
Me lawyer wenfa. Me pacho mesro.
Ex parte communication.
Enfa me gonzo him.
Now it is stipulated say it is not good as part of the code of conduct of judges and magistrates, of Rule 1 of the code of conduct, almost Principle 7, almost ex parte communication. That ex parte communication says that in order that there will not be partiality in a court, judge be aiding. It is important as a judge, a person only Opia Odin assembly pending. There should be an officer of the court present. And now say the two opposing counsels must be there. So and then say maybe a judge, na obi the court do abrel abo, not the one court. Na me judge oya madam futina me shia baby na me no kasa. Na wrong.
Now, why nene come meba? Why nene judge be ahia?
Everything is in the petition. We've stated everything deeply in the petition.
Mepa cho boa me ne matiefo a yeti anopa bia nye nyina na ebetimi akenkan petition ana ebenya bi mponto de wo na ade petition no koye e na hwerema so de a eje ni wura no wo na wo se meeting bi akoso e na me bisa wo se hwan na ahia omuhia da ben.
Okay, so Nana, I'm saying, say, in my petition, I stated categorically, say, there have been 3 judges who were instrumental in this Chief Justice Tokono issue. No, there have been 3 judges, plus one of the lawyers of the petitioner who have met. That is what I'm seeing in the petition, and that is the evidence I hold. And I'm saying, say, as some way, no, the reason why it is serious, they say, even for the judges, there's something called ex parte communication.
Oh, there you ex parte is in your transa. So you are saying on record, say, lawyer Thaddeus sorry. Any judge for no muti committee in sono bakweshia.
2 of the judges, yes, 2 of the judges on the committee.
2.
Yes.
Sa committee na nkasa atemafo mienu enti 2 ni nyina e no mo ne
2 ni nyina. Once a committee has 5 people chairing it. You have 3 who are not supposed to be in the legal framework. They are not supposed to be judges or lawyers. So Omampeni in his wisdom selected 2 judges and added 3 people, which Domlevone, one armed forces man, another person be account. And I'm saying the 2 judges selected by the president to be looking at the petition that was constituted under Article 146 Clause 6. 2 of those judges, with another Supreme Court judge from the bench, were seen having a maybe I'll even say dinner. Let me say dinner. They were having dinner. Then another person who is a petitioner to this very issue, they promote Chief Justice, no. At the camp meeting, no. Whether they exchange pleasantries, whatever conversation they had, we say we've picked up some. And they know there were people around. They saw some people around. They know. They themselves, they saw some people around. Even to the extent that when they exchanged pleasantries with some people, they greeted and all. We have all on record. And the records will show, yes. We have all on record.
So, who are dance here say, but some for committee a numono committee no, Justice Scott Gabriel Puaman or no. Ene asiedu omumienu ene atemuafo a omo ewoso. So you are saying on authority say atemuafo imienu a omo na ye judges a omo te justices omo te asem no so no omo ne lawyer Thaddeus sorry a ono ye lawyer ema one of the petitioners ena afei a 3rd Supreme Court justice akwa akohia wo de wani hu ye.
Yes, me di me hu ye. I me what the record.
Awo ho adanse.
Me wo ho adanse.
Okay. Na se kumi makwa akohia make bi omo ye namfo dada. Omo nema bi omo ye dada, omo meeting omo ye dada. Ebi kra na omo group kra omo ta hia dada ne ade enti. Are you saying say because omo every chief justice assemble omo nhia na?
Oh, nana make asemi say nana enye boni say the justice any nkofo be hia o enye boni me and getting the wrong ground. There's nowhere in the remit of the law I just say Supreme Court justice and a magistrate and a gibi hia nkofo. They meet people every day. In fact, they have families. They eat with them. They go out with them. But nana make assembly actually say there's something called ex-parte communication. Who read the Code of Conduct of Judges? Rule 1, Principle 7. Or say a judge shall not initiate or permit or consider any ex-parte communication concerning a pending or impending process. Now, who read the commentary now? I can say ex-parte communication which is not sanctioned by law, but which is not sanctioned by law, is an attempt to overreach one party to a case before the judge and influence the judge to decide in favor of the party making the contact. The word they use is contact, of the party making the contact. And then the main could not court, not judge, no, and I'm judge no baby cry. I will not say hello to the judge. I will not say hello to the judge. Because what I don't want the judge himself to breach the ex-parte code of conduct and war ethics. So whether you said hello, whether you spoke about the legal matter, whether you did not talk about the legal matter, there should have never been an ex-parte communication between the judges whatsoever and the petitioners. It is improper for judges to engage in any form of ex-parte, which is not permitted by law, with lawyers or parties before them. I'm not the one saying this. This is what the Code of Conduct of Judges say, judges and magistrates. That is what it says. I'm not the one saying it. Na me busa wasemu na nse ya kra insa system ya yu na ukọ wasembi odo wasembi akọkọ ti obi afa wasate adukọ restaurant bi na defendants ne lawyer no opposing lawyer na rega defendant ne which is opposing lawyer no and ne judge ne ti hold dia when you ready even who so mu enu gina ho keke uni masemo mo kan we liberty. So in the highest of our in the highest of precedence are yes setting in the highest of precedence for a Supreme Court Chief Justice, no, do you think it is right say something like that should happen? Then at this point, do you think it is good say something of this nature should happen?
Yenja ma omo ese so omo decide no. Yenja ma omo mpeso. Yenja ma omo ese so omo decide. But o the petition no ko no. What amampaninka?
And then me call Jubilee House ako follow up. Me call ako follow up.
Okay. All right. Kumi ene okwa de besi bia no am yasote.
Nana. Yeah. Nana, we dey better was baba me for queen akesi yesu na me fantia ora to beat Mahama. And then the birthday me bo na me empire say nyame ebe mana koso aye kesi sa.
Medase Alfred Kumi medase papa brantie ena de krata akoma mampani say o wadanse ye kire say lawyer Thaddeus sorry omo a etron krata say yenyi temu afo pani adi no o gire mu ama baako no ono ene esiedu JSC ena afei Scott Gabriel Poaman JSC omo mienu atemu afo no a Supreme Court atemu afo no a omo eka basomfo no mo hwe asem no mu no ena temuafo foforo so ono wa Supreme Court on de wamfani antudwa eka ho omo akwa akohia no no na adwene mu no mo sa mpanifo yi ena Chief Justice na asem ida mani mu amohwehwem enti se mo kohia ba bi sa no a se mo se pepeye ene atentrene dia ene na mo ankasa mo hyehyɛ amode adwuma no mobuso eno no se ne senti no mampani entwe sa committee ne nsensan ansa eno na yedi ehon komo no pay ewo Kokrokoo dwumadie eso Emmanuel Osafo Edu, aka Nana Kwame or Nana K. You are 14 today. Emmanuel Osafo Edu. On this occasion, I am wishing you great grace and God's immeasurable protection. May you grow to be an effective leader for your home, church, community, and Ghana. Happy birthday to you, Nana K. From your mom, Mrs. Mavis Osafo, and your dad, Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo Edu. Happy birthday, Nana K. Isaac Frimpong, aka 3393. 3393. Happy birthday to you, Isaac. And a happy birthday to you, Kabana Ousu Pantalon. Olivia Efia Adepa. Onamfo Fona Freo Efia Adepa. Happy birthday to you, Efia Adepa. Yamin Shrao na onto unkwem Efia Adepa as you celebrate your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Efia Adepa. And this one says to my lovely twins, Nyamiye and Nyamiche. Happy birthday to you, Nyamiye and Nyamiche. From your siblings and parents, and Casa Fabrics, and then Casa Kitchen. We love you so much. God bless you. Nyamiye and Nyamiche. Sa ahomano tutoma yebesa akọ ahomano so na anopai meka Ghana Police Service asem a kire why abrantie bi no a Ghana Police Service ache no meka ne ho asem kakra akire mo Millicent Abuajiwa aka Milky. Happy birthday to you, Milky, from your husband Nathaniel. Special aid to Dr. Ofori Sapon. And to Daniel Yawasante, aka Feeling Womb of Complete Event and Dean Event. From Team Dean Event and Complete Event. And to wish Asante Daniel, aka Kukuba of Domi, a glorious birthday. So, Mr. Asante Daniel, happy birthday. And to you, Collins, formerly of Guinness Ghana Limited, from Jojo and the family, celebrating you, Collins. Monica Siedu of Asante Bekwai, happy birthday to you, Monique. From your mom, Alice Opoku, celebrating you, Monique. And a happy 5th birthday to Mame Ya Aduma Granting of Faith Monzori International School Hibiscus class in Bawe. From your dad Kwesi Granting, aka Ofa KK. Your mom Adwen Chua Yeboa and your siblings wishing you Mame Ya Aduma Granting a glorious birthday. And to Kwejo Hansen, DJ Kojo Hansen, Alhaji Sly. Happy birthday to you, Kojo Hansen. From all your colleagues in here, celebrating you, Kojo. And to Mercy and Chua of Church of Pentecost, Ablekuma Central Assembly, from Virtuous Lady to you. Telcos monkey can human to Mammy Wami Pamucho Telcos Mundra Humani Sisiani my Sylvia Nana Equia Crantima Apia AK Baby T of Ablekuma Agape. Happy birthday to you from Michael Ejare Arafat. Nana Equia Crantima Apia AK Baby T. And to the CEO of Abo Grills, Ata Abuaji Anson. From the entire family to you, Ata Abuaji Anson. Happy birthday to you, Anglata. This one says, Mrs. Veronica Boateng Apiedu of Amasaman Obey. Happy birthday to you, Mrs. Victoria Boateng Apiedu. From your husband, Lawrence Apiedu, celebrating you, Mrs. Victoria Boateng Apiedu. And also from Mrs. Joyce Kese, DJ, celebrating you, Mrs. Victoria Boateng Apiedu. Happy birthday to you, Ekuman. And a happy birthday to Georgina Deborah, aka Obajua Papebi of Amasaman Achiaman. From Nana Kwame or Pasco in Sawem. Madam said and saying what is a Ghana Police Service say or matchy a brand TV. Or yet Techia Mwapa Ghana Police Service Arishano Ache. Me medical catch him say Ghana Police Service one. Say Udi Bonena Omanchiwa. Nema mienu pene wom. Either say Omasheda and I say Omunim Hubi. Saudi Bonena Ghana Police Service Anchiwa. Na Omasheda and I say Omunim Hubi. Around here, Onyini you, where you suka no makra. Onyini, why you kete. Na boni a wedi wo wiase no. Afina branti na nyamfia duasan otwe. Ono ne records a wode ma Ghana Police Service no. se wanya emfie aduasa nwotwe but unim abrante no odwane free Ghana ha no se na police for hwehwe no e na odwane free Ghana ha oko Togo kokoshe Togo okoshe Togo no Togo for identity card no identity card no okokoye bi ewo ho quarantine okokoye bi na eho ne din a ode kokoye ye ne se ye frɛ no Adinda Akpo ose oye Togo ni ena oye Chamba ni na me kan wi a obehu de me ye on Thursday, January 30th, and 30th January 2025. Tieniyo 30th January 2025. And I memory. In view of the above, a team of police officers, ACP Chief Superintendent and Ghana Police Service a detail or monokotena Togo, a correct sanko fui. Eko chesi akweya no mokoye no. Record omo senya fa akwa no hunie. In response to your request, please be informed that the named Adinda Akpo Abdul Mojibu was arrested on 30th January 2025 by the Togolese police. We also take this opportunity to inform you that the suspect is also being investigated in Togo for serious robberies committed in Togo. Pending conclusion of investigations in Togo against the suspect, the Togolese authorities are ready to receive a delegation from the Ghanaian police on dates convenient to both parties for the suspect to be interrogated in Togo on the charges leveled against him by the Ghanaian authorities. Na sa wo hwe kwan a Ghana Police Service fa so enya asa akwei echi no a operation na oman ni akwa na chika di na chi bro 2 years. Sa small boy no di na chi bro 2 years and kokoche no. Enti Ghana Police Service ya bomb abaso anopai. Mo share sa investigation ase. Under the former IGP George Ekufu Dampare. Ene yewura Christian Tete Yuhunu enso so a obaye one DCOP Lydia Yako mo beto aso my idea sa na sese ye no na asma meka ni nyina bebia mede kwa akosie ni se Ghana fo se okwa abrochire a ho se ukọ abrochire a ade ma omo security for no omo eye top pa na ye amanfo and volunteer information e de ma omo nipa bebre o Ghana ase ya obi efiewura tachi amoa bi ti ni fie obi efiewura o obi ahadan o ni fie oni madwuma nipa na ye nipa no so ompie nkwa adwuma awia je anadwope e na opie onim sa nipa no so ote ofie nipa no onim ba bi ofiri no an so aba abeje wodan se ote sen se oye hwan se oye den onim o mo police fu amane o nka nkire obi a ade ekina ye wia wa osisei ade ekina ye wia wa osisei Ghana for me srem anopei me ankasa me srem on behalf of Ghana Police Services se obite ompotemu na activities cry suspicious mawa Oh, activities suspicious Emma wa. Was said yes obo police amane. Na police etime mapo se nipa no. No mu di nachi. Se na be ya ye nyina ye ho beto yen se o mama. So obi di bone wo Ghana ha na odwane kokotena Togo. Na Ghana Police Service etime suma police mpanifo miensa emom kokotena Togo. Kohwehwem akonya akwai. Ene Togo fo ko chi akwai e de akwai ba. Na chese police for na ya de pa. What it means is that see more information on here on bit media here Juma. Ghana for Misremo. If you see something, say something for our collective security. Ghana Police Service, I don't pay me to Chemamo. Bright appear a penny or that Charles Wright International, I know. Eja appear marching.
Yeah, me too.
Now what to say?
I'm not say.
Oh, Yanko Pardon.
Yeah,
Pa Nancy. Me shut down. One bank first day. One am wa utimi to far no abehwe me kakra so say dey kra.
Enche bia e baba.
Bafo akeka me won se ma kire wo ho. Afo onyesa. Nema utimi de ye me ne doso nti. Oh. Mesre o.
We di odim hoje.
Onim hoje o ho. Pa cho ma tanfo tete entem wai.
Mate.
Me da say. Anope my father Krata a friend of the Ghanaian publisher or say CRI, that is Charles Wright International, blast GIS over ruthless beggars soup. Ampa.
Media for the Ayana Munum de Rada Moyamuni sometimes. Mitiminka was MP, but I think the summary of the whole issue is on Friday, Ghana Immigration Service for Etuana Mobia for rescue of Korane illegal immigrant to be or more Abeto Mamu Mosesa or Kwano. And James says our exercise in the Bayano, Ghana Immigration Service at the Betuja said out of the number of 2,000 platinum, 925 a adult and now over platinum. Okay.
Hello.
What do you mean?
I think I'm here.
Now, we say once Ankara involved, no, not just the dynamics will change in terms of the approach now on the Bamano. So, you need to firm every how things will go. And they put all of them under detention. Now we expect certain processes will be followed, especially where Ankara Ekahono, even with the social welfare, every screening or may assessment, and to first to identify Ankara no Mokahono, truly no Omoye and Kofonoma, and they've been trafficked into this country. Secondly, to find out their status, whether they can be repatriated back to their country or not, or whether or not the state is even in a position to grant them a certain level of immunity, grant you space to be able to do proper investigation or go back to their respective countries. Again, also, the UN Convention on the Right of the Child, Article 11, it states clearly that in matters of that nature where children are involved, you expect the state to have a bilateral engagement with the respective countries now, so that when you are repatriating them back to the country, the state Ghana will get to know the destination of all these children, so that Ochina or Mansa Mabak and me this age man, and as I say, Bibi Banas or Mane Ebejoma will take them under certain exceptional conditions. And here, all these things were not really followed. And the Betuja, the Betum Pedifo, say matters of this nature, so far as children are involved, you cannot use the orthodox means of Ghana Immigration Service, how they handle any prohibited immigrant issue. But once children are involved, and our laws state clearly say, you cannot declare any child as prohibited immigrant or illegal immigrant. But the processes of repatriating them back should follow a certain protocol. And those were the things that we were drawing the attention of the state to where it is so far as children are involved, they have to kick in some of these protocols. And the answer, I don't know.
Etie the near some most quite cry if I so chink while I'm a bonus.
Debbie, and no Matissa and no Metias and Copo Preferment. My cousins are but the hope Osha your press statement now, release here. It's not about say because young as I wouldn't say, yeah, disaster me Uncle Supreme Court that say as you can, if you can. And I have research, so I trace you root and chronic fever in I have documentary at the home. And there's no way Yabeka say, you correct Yabequatia. But what we are interested in is once yes, and to identify, say, children are involved there. There's a way that we have to do the rescue or the repatriation or to grant them certain immunity. And no, you can't want them. Until they are blasting, that's the context that we were blasting them.
So in principle, in Quadana from the money who name mum, young Yansha, near who's and Quaday, no quasam and penifone come on your mouth for kind, and I say, you are money at your bar, a bear bonnet, sebeya, or more corner, on Beko, the papa and some yes,
exactly the point. And one else, my can.
Matty, we didn't ask you, Matty. I'm right, yet I say no pay. You bright up here on only penny or that Child's Right International. I know, or no, and you know, a twitching and come.